And LJ. Today I'm going to show you my lacheing and step by step for beginners. So let me try to show you guys if you don't know how. If you want to just get to the rings part and me calling it jaguar climbing, then just skip to that part. Please like and subscribe. So just look at those two rings. So look at this ring and right here. So I'm gonna go on the rings now. So first, for beginners, try to put your legs up really high, and then try to just swing off if you're a beginner. And then step 2, there's basically 3 easy steps to it. So, and there's challenges. So now I'm going to do step 2. Step 2 is focusing on the bar and try to not pretend. Focus on that. Okay, now step 3. Okay, maybe there's 4 easy steps to it. Messed up. Step 3, actually there's just step 3. Okay, now try to do this. So that's how you lache on a bar for beginners. Now let me show you what I call jaguar climbing. It's not really jaguar climbing, so let me show you. Let me just flip the camera a little bit. There we go. Let me show you what it is. I don't know why I call it, but it's just jaguar climbing. Okay, so first you start on the second bar. Then you do this. Then you try to go across. Well, I just did it on the second bar. Okay, now let me show you what I like to do. It's called kangaroo jumping. Not really though. Okay, so let me get up and do this. And try to lache. It's kind of hard, but I think people would get used to it. So let's see how fast I can go on the bars, coming back and forth. Well, coming over there, then putting on the bars. Okay, 3, skipping bars. 2, 1. Okay, rewind that. It's okay. 3, 2, 1. Now. Okay, I don't know why I'm going slow today. Okay, I don't know how long that took, so I'm gonna have to look at the video how long that took. Now let me show you how my dog is a bad girl. What are you doing, Ducky? Lulu, what are you doing? And I forgot to mention, she loves the leaves. She really likes the leaves. I don't know why. And she just ate a leaf, unfortunately. And she's looking at that one. Okay, guys, so that was pretty much it today. Hopefully you liked the video. If you liked this video, go to more videos of ninja and rings. So